If your GOG Galaxy client is throwing errors, not opening properly, or acting like it's stuck in a broken loop, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a simple fix that can often resolve the problem in just a few minutes. We'll close every running process, download the latest installer, and reinstall the client in the exact same location so it can overwrite the damaged files without affecting your setup more than necessary. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, make sure the GOG Galaxy client is completely closed. This part matters because if the app is still running in the background, the installer may not replace the files correctly. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running processes. Now look carefully for anything named GOG Galaxy or Galaxy Client. Depending on the version you have installed, it may appear under a slightly different name, so check the list thoroughly. Once you find it, right-click the process and select End Task. If you see more than one related process, end each one individually. This helps make sure no part of the client is still active in memory. After that, take a moment to confirm there are no leftover GOG Galaxy processes still running. If needed, you can scroll through the Background Processes section and check again. The goal here is to fully shut down the client before you reinstall it. Once everything is closed, open your web browser and go to the official GOG Galaxy website. From there, download the latest web installer. Using the official installer is important because it ensures you're getting the newest stable version directly from GOG. After the download finishes, locate the installer file and run it. When the setup window appears, follow the prompts until you reach the installation path. This is the key step. Install GOG Galaxy in the exact same location as your current client. That way, the installer can overwrite the existing files and repair any damaged or missing components. If you choose a different folder, the broken installation may remain untouched, so double-check the path before continuing. If you're not sure where the current client is installed, look at the folder you've been using previously and make sure the new install matches it exactly. Then continue with the installation and let the process complete. Depending on your system, this may take a few minutes while the setup replaces files and updates the client. Once the installation is finished, launch GOG Galaxy again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this reinstall fixes launch problems, missing file issues, and other client errors caused by corrupted updates or background conflicts. If the app opens normally, you're good to go. And if this video helped you solve the issue, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.